Welcome to the low mid budget watch report, and today we are going to unbox the Invicta Pro Diver. And this is the box. The box is made in China. And now I'm going to open it. This is the box without the paper wrapped around it. And it comes with warranty and instruction manual and member card. It looks like this. And it comes with a tag, and the pillow look like this. Isn't really a pillow, some other material. Yes, and the box looks like this, yellow on the inside. The box is okay, it's pretty nice, nothing too special, but not ugly. This is how the watch looks. Pretty nice. It's a quartz movement, Japanese quartz movement. The bezel measures are 37.5 millimeter, and from the crown to the bottom of the watch it measures 41 millimeters, and from lug to lug it measures 47 millimeters, and the strap on its most narrow point is 16 millimeters, and between the lugs is 18 millimeters. Yes, it's gold painted. A little bit too small for men. I don't know. I will try it on. Feels okay. And the clasp is just standard. Pull to open, push to close, like this. Nothing special. I'm not very fond of these type of clasp, but it's okay. Yeah, it's a small watch, a small diver. A little bit loose. I don't know if it should be like this. Not my cup of tea, but it's for the price. It's very nice. It's under $80, 80 euro. So it's pretty cheap. For a cheap watch, this is very nice. I'll give it 5.5 out of 10. And the reason for this is the painted gold. I don't like these kind of painted gold watches too much. It's painted on one side and not on the other side. Yes, I almost forgot. This is how the watch looks in the dark. The details are showing fine, I guess. And this is the watch up close. And the date window is nice. Yeah, it looks good.